Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing you 3 search tips and tricks that you can use on your Windows 10 computer. So that being said, let's get started. So on your computer, we have a huge storage. So we store lots of files, folders, application on our Windows 10 computer. Now it is very difficult for us to find a single application or folder or files that we want. For that, we can use Microsoft default search tool. First one, you can search by using your Cortana. So here's say for example, I want to search for VLC media player. I will simply write VLC media player. So here I had searched for VLC media player. Here we have all the result. If I had a VLC media player file or folder, this will show up here, and here I have the application tabs. If I want to install VLC media player, I can directly install it from Microsoft Store, document, web, and you can search email, folder, music, people, photos and settings and videos using this Cortana search tool. You can even search web. So this was the first trick how you can enhance your search experience in Windows 10. Now let me show you another search tricks. For that you need to open File Explorer. Inside this File Explorer, you will get all your storage device such as pen drive, hard drive, SSD, and inside this SSD we have our files and folders. Say for example, I want to find one folder, but I don't know whether I had saved it on my local disk, games, thecoderworld or Ajay Kumar. I don't know where I had saved that folder, but I can simply type that folder name on this search this PC bar. Simply search that term. Say for example, Java. Here you will find all the folders, files, images or videos that contain Java term on it. This way you can find anything. Now let me show you one advanced trick. Now say for example, you want to find out your all PNG image on File Explorer. For that, simply write dot the extension of your file. So here I had used .png. Here I will get all the PNG image. Similarly, you can use it for MP3, MP4 format, JPG format and any other format. So for example, I want to find text file. I will simply write .txt and hit enter. Here I will find all the text file with txt extension. Here you can see, here I have the text file. Similarly, you can search other extensions too. So this was a simple trick how you can enhance your search experience in Windows 10. So to use this feature, you don't need to install any third-party application. These features are inbuilt on your system. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.